Stunningly redone and ready to move into. This turnkey home could be an investor special. A gorgeous large corner lot, 10,947 square feet, 4-bedroom/2-bath bright home has newly installed floors, roof, impact windows, AC, stainless steel appliances, Whirlpool, GE microwave, washer/dryer, MAYTAG. Easy to maintain yard with sprinkler system has ample room for a pool with lots of space to entertain. SANDSPUR Park is 1 block away. About half mi to US 1, shops and restaurants. About 10-minute drive to the Intracoastal/beaches. Open house coming soon. According to Broward County Prop. Apprais. The new adjusted square feet, used for assessment purposes, will be 1,200.